Everyone is putting butter in their coffee. When you watch why, you will drink it like this for the rest of your life. Butter coffee became preferred lately due to the fact that it has a strong, abundant taste, but also helps you to slim down. Those who have actually tried it state that they will never go back to the old, black coffee. Although tablespoon butter and coconut oil is not something that is generally included to coffee, these active ingredients are perfect when integrated. This coffee is made in a blender to be unified with the liquid fat, but likewise to offer a great foam on the top, or you can merely add some butter to your hot coffee and let it melt. If you consume in the early morning rather of a meal, or consume it rather of treats, can give stunning impacts on the line. But it has other benefits too. Besides the amazing health impacts of coffee drinking, that it reduces your danger of having cancer by as much as 50%, your risk of establishing type 2 diabetes decreased by as much as 7%, interfering with the development of the germs that triggers halitosis and mouth odor, and many more. If you add butter to the coffee you consume, you will be amazed by the change and the health advantages, like it helps to clean up the arteries. It will promote brain functions. It will help to minimize body fat, as we currently discussed. It takes just half minute to include butter to your coffee and it will give you more than you need for your health. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.